Hello, all you lovely people. It is truly said that we can't see God, but on earth, a doctor is like a God who cures us and gives us a life to live in a better way. Yes, we are back again with yet another video on this special day, that is the 1st of July, which provides us an opportunity to thank all the doctors for all that they do for the patients, the communities they work in, and for society as a whole. No doubt, it is their hard work that keeps us all healthy. So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin with the reason behind choosing this date for thanking all the doctors. National Doctors' Day is celebrated on the 1st of July all across India to honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on 1st July 1882 and died on the same date in 1962, aged 80 years. Dr. Roy was honored with the country's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, on February 4, 1961. The celebration of Doctors' Day is an attempt to emphasize the value of doctors in our lives and to offer them our respects by commemorating one of their greatest representatives, that is Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. Ambience celebrate Doctors Week from 1st of July to the 10th of July, covering every area of health and hygiene. Many doctors have spared their valuable time in giving their indispensable advice for the whole week, either online or by sending us videos and making it a memorable event for our students. Our teachers also have shown their involvement in this week's celebration, either directly or indirectly, to help make it a success. So, to begin with, we had two dentists, namely Dr. Niranjan Trivedi and Dr. Devanshi Thakur, who gave complete knowledge to the children, encouraging proper dental care. Dr. Hitesh Jethwa, who is a homeopath, gave some valuable information and guidance related to cold and cough, abdominal pain, and diarrhea, which is very common in children of age group 10 to 12. He also emphasized on the precautions to be taken both when at home and outside. Dr. Manoj Tiwari, who is a physician, gave information to the children on good health, the need for a good healthy diet, appropriate consumption of salt and sugar, appropriate consumption of water, proper medicines to be taken only after the doctor's prescription, etc. We had Dr. Prakash Shah, an MD, who gave insights on precautions that the children and adults all together should take at this time of COVID-19 pandemic. Dr. Satpal Singh, a veterinary officer, gave us some really valuable information in his field. He has given us knowledge to our students on how care is provided to livestock and breeding is improved to give us better milk and eggs besides other information. We had Dr. Priya Patel, who is a physiotherapist. Keeping in mind that today all students are attending online classes, she guided them on proper postures while studying and how to protect one's lumbar spine. We also had Dr. Tejas Thakkar, who is a cardiologist. He gave insights into how one can live a healthy life and keep the heart and lungs healthy. He especially stressed the importance of exercise and yoga and eating good, healthy food. Our library teachers, Hetal ma'am and Madhuri ma'am, have given this full week to the children in explaining how to take care of the eyes, nails, hair, etc. Indeed, a very good job.
I'm telling about the doctor's day. Look here.
Let us also thank our teachers who helped make it a success through their contacts so that children could get good knowledge on various health matters. In the end, a very big thank you to our principal madam, Mrs. Neelam Singh. As a principal, you have shaped the conditions for our teachers and students to learn and succeed. We are forever grateful to you for your impact on the school. We are truly proud to be a part of the team. Thank you for being with us. Thank you, ma'am.